need to get a solid 30 minutes a day on the hog. I need to make it worth it. I'm going too fast, my hat's flying off.
Dude, you fucking scared me right there. Don't hate it. Who gave this boy this fucking toy?
Damn. Damn. Oh my god. So I stopped filming yesterday just because I decided that I wanted to like put down the camera to really start accelerating this move. We were supposed to be out like a couple days ago, and we're obviously still have a lot of stuff in here. So as much as I wanted to like start maybe doing the BRZ today or jump on the RX-7, I have to start transferring all this stuff over so I don't get a fine from the landlord and have to pay more. So I haven't seen it like that in a long time. Like we haven't seen this in a long time. I've already done about like 2 truckloads over to the other shop, and I've started to move some of it, and I'm just now picking up the camera. Oh man, I'm like a little sad right now, I gotta be honest. This is kind of a sad view. We had a lot of memories in this place. We learned a lot in this place. We've grown a lot in this space. It's definitely kind of a bittersweet moment. Like seeing these walls like naked, I don't know, it's like, it's kind of sad, but moving on to bigger and better things. So that's always what to think about. I've decided that we're just gonna start everything at the same time and pick away at everything at the same time. We've moved in a whole bunch of stuff into the shop. We got the RX-7 here, we got the BRZ in here. We just got another package from Ben Pack. Like I said, we're gonna be receiving small pallets about like the next week or so of more stuff that should have came with our original delivery. The wiring to start the RX-7 is assumed to almost be ready. Mickey thinks he found the 2 wires that need to be jumped to get the automatic portion of the car tricked, so it will start. And they may or may not get to taking apart the BRZ today, because I had like an epiphany last night. I was like, damn, I need to get this car going. So motivation coming from all different sorts of the warehouse, but first let's get these unboxed, see what we got, and then check up with Mickey when we're done. Ladies and gentlemen, we may experience our first start in the States. Mick, are you sending good vibes right now?
Oh, I'm headed home. Today's over, right? It's 5 o'clock.
Nope.
I'll see you guys later.
No, not true. We should hear the starter, and hopefully if all goes well, it will turn over maybe. And we'll check for oil leaks.
There's no coolant in the motor. We're just literally just trying to get it to crank, fire, and off. We're not trying to run the motor.
Only running it for like
2 seconds. Really just want to hear
30 seconds.
We just want to hear it brap and then
30 seconds. It cranks.
Go ahead.
You're fine. Put your finger.
Give me your finger.
Put your finger on it. I need a film. Put your finger on it. Motherfucker.
One eternity later.
Is that like a Popeyes meme? It looks like one. Alright, Mick. I didn't show them anything that we just did for the past hour and a half. That's all going to be explained after the fact.
Here we go. Is battery juice?
Oh my god, it sounds so good! It's alive, baby! Oh, it's alive!
You got smoke.
Just water.
It's all the new shit.
What we got? What we got?
We got a water leak. We got a little water leak. Yeah.
Where is it coming from?
Oh, hey!
It started.
You did it!
Yeah.
Woo!
I'm going underneath.
Future water was coming from like right here.
I can still see it dripping. Where?
It's coming from back here somewhere.
I'll find it.
That's where the smoke's coming.
Oh,
Water was hitting the manifold.
Green water.
oh, that's hot.
That's coolant from residual coolant.
Yeah, that just domed me.
It's coming from up front of the block over here.
I think it's the ones you just put on.
My phone is MIA.
We had some coolant dripping in the back, so we eliminated that, tightened some things that we didn't know were loose. Now we're gonna try again.
Dude, I know how to do it. Mick, you should pull the metal piece off of this sensor and it'll fall right out. This piece right here.
We found another leak, we tightened it, we fixed it, trying it again. Want me to cut it?
Yeah, no.
No?
That was a vacuum leak. Yeah, that's...
I don't know what anyone's saying, but it's so distracting listening to that when we have this. When you plug that and when you're not, it makes a difference in the tone in the back.
Exactly. Good.
And we finally get to hear it turn on. Mickey's been like rewiring his life away to get this started.
What you hear in the video is not how the car's actually gonna sound. That idle is way too high. We still have, if you look here, we still have an open vacuum port, which goes to the brake booster here. We don't have the one-way check valve that we need, so we just left that open for now. We just wanted to make sure the car started, and it starts, we heard it run, which makes us happy. Now we can start all the final detail work.
The last video when they saw us try and start it, we went to key on and we couldn't get ignition.
Yeah.
And you did like a trigger, like a little trick to trigger the car that it was in park. And on the forums, people said like this wasn't possible. And
yeah, so this took about 2 days to sort out. We kind of knew all along that it had something to do with the fact that this was an automatic car. So in order for an automatic car to start, you have to have the car in park. Well, we removed all the bits from the automatic transmission and all the harness and everything, but we utilized the actual chassis harness from the automatic. So we had to trick the harness to thinking the car was in park in order for the starter signal to kick over. So basically that just required some wiring. We were told through a bunch of forums and people that we know that you cannot use the automatic harness to get the car to start, blah, blah, blah. Well, I figured it out and it works.
Mickey spec.
Mickey spec.
Maybe I can catch these two playing so I could show you guys what it's like to see a big dog play with a little pup.
Hey, Blue, easy. I'm sorry, buddy. Alright guys, well I'm sorry for the lack of the vlog yesterday. Kind of combined today and yesterday's vlog into one. Hey, I'm trying to end the video. Can you guys just knock it off for 1 second, please? That's gonna do it for us. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. The RX-7 is finally alive. Peace out and keep moving forward.